Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most common hair problems, frizzy hair. Frizzy hair can be very frustrating and difficult to manage. But don't worry, we're going to discuss everything about frizzy hair today, from the causes to the solutions, and even some DIY tips. The first thing we need to understand is what causes frizzy hair. Frizzy hair is mainly caused by dryness in the hair. When our hair lacks moisture, it becomes frizzy and unmanageable. The lack of moisture can be caused by several factors like humidity, overstyling, using hot tools too often, using harsh hair products, and even genetics. Now that we know the causes of frizzy hair, let's talk about some solutions to manage it. Choose the right shampoo and conditioner. The first step to manage frizzy hair is to use the right shampoo and conditioner. Use a sulfate-free shampoo and a moisturizing conditioner that will help to nourish and hydrate your hair. Avoid heat styling. Heat styling tools like straighteners, curlers, and blow dryers can cause damage to your hair and make it more prone to frizz. Try to air dry your hair whenever possible and avoid using heat styling tools. Use hair oils. Oils like coconut oil, jojoba oil, and argan oil are great for nourishing and hydrating your hair. Apply a few drops of oil on your hair and leave it for a few hours or overnight before washing it off. Use a leave-in conditioner. A leave-in conditioner can help to tame frizz and make your hair more manageable. Apply a small amount of leave-in conditioner on your hair after washing it and leave it on. Try a hair mask. Hair masks are a great way to provide deep conditioning to your hair and help to combat frizz. You can make a DIY hair mask at home using ingredients like avocado, honey, and yogurt, or purchase a ready-made hair mask. Don't overwash your hair. Washing your hair too often can strip it of its natural oils and lead to dryness and frizz. Try to limit your hair washing to 2 or 3 times a week and use a dry shampoo in between washes to keep your hair fresh. Use a wide-tooth comb. A wide-tooth comb is a great tool for detangling your hair without causing breakage or frizz. Use a wide-tooth comb instead of a brush to style your hair and avoid combing it when it's wet. Wrap your hair at night. Sleeping with your hair loose can cause friction and lead to frizz. To prevent this, wrap your hair in a silk scarf or use a satin pillowcase to minimize friction and keep your hair smooth. Some DIY recipes you can try at home to help combat frizzy hair. Coconut oil and honey mask. Mix equal parts of coconut oil and honey in a bowl and apply the mixture to your hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash it off with shampoo and conditioner. Avocado and olive oil mask. Mash 1 ripe avocado and mix it with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Apply the mixture to your hair and leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it off with shampoo and conditioner. Apple cider vinegar rinse. Mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of water and use it as a rinse after shampooing. This can help to balance the pH of your hair and reduce frizz. Aloe vera gel and lemon juice spray. Mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 cup of water in a spray bottle. Use this as a leave-in conditioner and spray it on your hair after washing. Yogurt and egg mask. Mix 1 egg with half a cup of plain yogurt and apply the mixture to your hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash it off with shampoo and conditioner. Frizzy hair can be a nuisance, but there are plenty of ways to manage it. By using the right products and following the tips we've discussed today, you can achieve smooth, manageable hair that looks healthy and beautiful. Remember, it's important to be patient and consistent in your hair care routine to see the best results. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.